This wall of sand is 3 kilometers tall, moving at 100 kilometers per hour. In seconds, visibility drops to 0. You can't breathe, can't see, can't run. Called a haboob, these storms swallow entire cities in minutes. The sand isn't just dirt, it's glass, metal particles, debris that shreds lungs. Phoenix, Arizona gets hit by these every summer. One storm can move 100 million tons of sand across continents. The Sahara's dust reaches the Amazon, fertilizing rainforests 7,000 kilometers away. Nature's fury in slow motion. Follow for more extreme weather.